Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about plotting. Okay, so the plot of function is used to draw the points or a markers in a diagram. Okay, this is the first point I have mentioned here. Okay, so the plot point will help you to draw the points or the marker in a diagram. That is what it means. By default, the plot of function draw a line from a point to point. So it will help you to draw the point to the point to point. So on screen you can see that I have to mention it like this: plt.plot x points and the y points. So that is how you need to mention it. Fine. So these are the terms you need to mention. So let me just mention you few codes here, then you will be able to understand it. So on screen you can see that I have mentioned all the points here. And what does it means? After writing this means that on screen you can see that I am writing O, and these are mentioning all the points that need to require. So all you need to do is just to connect this point. Then you will be able to plot these lines. Okay, so that is what the plotting means. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.